let's unbox my stainless steel sprouts maker. I have been using this since the last 1 month for making sprouts with different grains and I'm quite happy with the results. It hardly takes you 2 days to grow the sprouts and you can definitely include it in your daily diets because it's so easy to grow them. Now let's open it and see what it looks like. Few months back I ordered some stainless steel plates from this brand Sumit and I was really happy with the quality of material. It is very thick and very heavy, proper stainless steel material that you get. So when I thought of buying sprouts maker as well, stainless steel sprouts maker, I thought that I will buy Sumit stainless steel sprouts maker only. Yes, on Amazon there are other different brands as well. If you want to consider them, you can look for that also. So this one that I bought, it is of one container only. You just get one container, but yes, there are other options also where you get 2 containers, 3 containers, so you can decide which one you want based on your need and preference. It is having holes all around, so once you keep your soaked grains, you need to keep a plate or something at the bottom so that this excess water can be collected over there. And when you are washing the grains or you are adding water in it, you just make sure that you are cleaning the plate as well, because otherwise it might stink. As I have been using this, if you ask me about the good and bad things about it, I think one good thing is that you are using stainless steel sprouts maker unlike the plastic ones, so you will not be having any issues that okay fine, I'm using plastic or something like that. It is safe. One bad thing is that it is not having any plates attached to it unlike the plastic one. I also have this plastic sprouts maker which comes with a plate altogether so that the excess water can be collected over there, and it was having 3 containers, so I can make sprouts in a larger quantity. Also with different grains I can make sprouts, but this time I just thought that I'll go for 1 container only. So depending on your need and preference, you can decide which one is good for you. I am overall happy with the product, and if you are willing to check this out, I will put a link for this Amazon link from where I purchased. I will put a link as well. You can check that out also. So that's all for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.